The function of fixture testing is to inspect and measure the size, shape, surface quality, and other aspects of a workpiece. In the manufacturing industry, gauges are very important tools that play a vital role in achieving product quality that meets design standards and meets customer needs. There are many types of structures that fixtures test, and typically include a variety of measuring tools, plates, gauge blocks, micrometers, calipers, hardness testers, altimeters, and other components. There are two ways to measure the size of a stamped part: blue light scanning and fixture testing. The investment in Blu-ray scanning is comparatively higher and hence it is used less. No additional steps are required in the production of fixture testing, and the gap surface differences of the workpiece can be directly measured. In modern manufacturing, gauges are commonly used in the manufacturing of automotive stamping parts. Gauge inspection refers to the use of some measuring tools to measure the hole position, size, shape, material edge, and other workpieces of a stamped part. Operators can use gauges to accurately measure and inspect products during the production process to ensure that the products are stable and high quality. The selection and use of fixture testing plays a vital role in controlling product quality. As a result, technicians must perform fixture testing in accordance with regulatory requirements during the manufacturing process to improve product quality and reliability. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.